Lily.
Yeah, Ron, you're doing okay with it though.
Lily.
Okay, your sandwich is there.
Say hi, Lily. Say hi, little girl. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, little girl. Whoa.